No, let's just do it the right way. I want to delete this play animation in here because it's not the right thing to do. Let's just compile to make sure everything is okay. Now let's just go to content drawer, and I want to go to our folder that is third person in here. I want to right click and use the animation blueprint that Unreal Engine developer create for us to manage all the animations. Go to animation, and after that animation blueprint. So this is the class that Unreal Engine developer create for us to manage all the animation. Click on it to create it, and it will tell you which skeleton you want to create animation for. You want to create animation blueprint for, and right now we have just one, the Murdoch skeleton. Click on it and hit create, and it will create this animation blueprint, and I want to call it AB for animation blueprint, and I want to call it Murdoch, okay, or whatever you want to call it. Now that we have this animation blueprint, we want to go to our character class and click on the mesh because we want to manage the animations for this mesh, for this skeleton mesh, right? So click in here and hit animation category in here, and in animation mode we want to use animation blueprint. Use animation blueprint, and after that in anim class we can just search for AB, that is animation blueprint that we just create, Murdoch. So click on here. Now everything is set. Let's just compile, and nothing will happen because we didn't do anything with this animation blueprint, but let's just open it. Now in here you can see at the left side, you can see the preview panel. Like always, we have my blueprint that I will talk about. We have detail panel like always, and we have asset browser just like the animation sequence that we can choose whatever animation we want. So the next thing is the anim graph. You can see the anim graph, and this anim graph, whatever you connect to this result, to this output pose, will be played with our character. So for example, if I search in here for the idle animation and grab this and put it in here and connect these to the result in output pause and compile, you can see we have the idle animation played. Now if we compile and save and run our game, now you can see it is playing the idle animation for us, and it will always play that. So for example, if I again go to animation blueprint and in here search for walk, for example, walk forward, and place it in here and connect it to the result. No, this one is not connected, so let's just delete it. And if we compile, it always run the walk animation. And if we save and go to our game, play our game, you can see it always running, right? It's always running. So, and the animation is not stopping. So at the next video, I want to show you the state machine that we can use to stop this animation and start the animation whenever it's moving, and stop the animation whenever it's stopping, it stop the movement, and jump whenever we hit the space, and play that animation as well.